everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Winda Debiasesa. You can call me Winda. Today I'm going to explain a type of text called analytical exposition in a simple and clear way. By the end of this explanation, you will understand its definition, purpose, structure, and language feature. Let's start with the definition. An analytical exposition is a type of text that aims to convince the reader that something is important or true. In other words, the writer presents an opinion or idea and supports it with arguments. This text is commonly used in essay, article, and speech when someone wants to persuade others. Now, let's move to the purpose. The main purpose of analytical exposition is to persuade the reader. The reader wants the audience to agree with their point of view. First is thesis. This is the introduction of the text. In this part, the writer clearly states their opinion or main idea. It tells the reader what the text will be about. Second is the arguments. This is the main part of the text. The writer gives several reasons to support their opinion. Each argument is usually explained in one paragraph, and it can include fact, example, or logical explanations. This is the last conclusion. In this part, the writer restates their opinion in a strong way. It reminds the reader about the main idea and reinforces the arguments. Now, let's talk about the language feature. Analytical exposition texts usually use simple present tense because the text talks about general truth or opinions. Modal verbs such as should, must, and have to. Logical connector like firstly, secondly, therefore, because, and however. Evaluation words such as important, beneficial, and harmful. General participants, meaning the text talks about general things, not specific one. In addition, analytical exposition texts are usually formal in style and focus on logical reasoning rather than emotions. Let's also look at the simple idea. Trust management. Management of trust is very important in Indonesia. As one of the countries with big amount of trust from many sectors, proper management is necessary. Poor waste management can cause many health problems because trust became a bacteria to grow and produce bad odors that affect breathing. In addition, unmanaged trust can block water flow and lead to flooding, especially during the rainy season. That is why it is very important to manage the trust, and it is better to promote the recycling process. That's all my explanation. Thank you and see you.